Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. With the drawers closed, identify which of the drawers needs to be aligned. Open the drawer to its full extension and grasp the sides of the interior bin and lift it up and out to remove. Important: each refrigerator drawer has two glides, one on the left side and one on the right side. At the end of each glide, there is a bracket. On the back of the drawer front, there is a corresponding clip that slides into each glide bracket. The drawer glides remain fixed. The drawer front is the only thing being adjusted. Starting with the glide bracket closest to the gap, press the release lever with one hand while lifting the door clip slightly from the bracket with your other hand. Reposition the clip onto the glide bracket in the direction you want to move the drawer front. Make sure that the glide bracket is vertically straight. Release the lever to lock the glide bracket into position. Note: adjust the drawer front clip on the top of the second glide bracket so that it is in the same position as the side you adjusted first. Close the drawer and visually inspect the gap. Repeat the previous steps until the drawer fronts are aligned. Replace the interior drawer bins. Close the refrigerated drawers.